A smart food drawer cabinet is an innovative storage solution that leverages advanced technology to manage and optimize your food inventory. Equipped with sensors, connectivity features, and often integrated with mobile apps. It can also track expiration dates, adjust receipts based on the available ingredients, and even automate grocery orders. This smart appliance aims to reduce food waste, save time, and enhance kitchen efficiency. So good day everyone. Today we are going to present our product, the Smart Food Drawer Cabinet. So before we start, let me introduce myself. I'm Arlene May Reyes, and I'm the hacker of our team. Together with my team, Nestle May Cabrera, the hustler of our team. Lastly, Ednalyn Iparungaw, the hipster of our team. The smart food cabinet addresses the problem of food waste and inefficiency in household kitchens by providing real-time inventory, tracking automatic expiration date alerts, and personalized receipt suggestions based on available ingredients. These solutions aim to reduce food spoilage, save money, and simplify meal planning for users. So, how to have this happen? We must reduce waste, save money, and cook smarter with the Smart Food Cabinet, your kitchen's intelligence assistant for fresher food and effortless meal planning.
Our solutions. Hardware components is gagamit po kami ng sensors, cameras, connectivity, display screen, and the last is climate control. And then sa software features naman is gagamit kami ng mobile app integration, inventory management, and users notifications. How does the solution works? Number one is set up an inventory input. Users starts by placing their food items inside the smart food cabinet. The next one is real-time inventory tracking. The cabinet uses sensors and cameras to continuously monitors the content. The next one is automatic expiration date alerts. The cabinet tracks expiration dates and sends alerts when items are nearing their expiry. The next one is personalized recipe suggestions. Based on the items available in the cabinet, it suggests recipes. The next one is shopping list generation. When items are low or used up, the cabinet can generate a shopping list. The next one is user feedback and adjustments. Users can provide feedback on the suggestions and the cabinet performance to further tailor the experience. Our features. Number one is real-time inventory tracking. Advanced sensors and cameras automatically monitor and update the inventory of stored items. The next one is automatic expiration date alerts. Send notification to users about upcoming expiration dates to prevent food spoilage. Number three is personalized recipe suggestions. Recommends recipes based on available ingredients, helping users make the most what they have. The next one is user-friendly interface. Design ensures ease of use from setup to daily interactions. The next one is sustainability focus. Designed to reduce food waste and promote eco-friendly habits. The next one is localized adaptability. Tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of the Filipino market, incorporating local food habits and popular ingredients. And the last one is seamless integration. Compatible with other smart home devices for a cohesive smart kitchen ecosystem. The next one is proactive notifications. Alert users about low stock items, meal planning suggestions, and special promotions from partner retailers. And the last one is data-driven insights. Provides insights and analytics on food consumption patterns to help users make informed decisions about their purchases and meal planning.
The existing smart pantry systems usually require manual input to track inventory and often involve multiple devices that aren't fully integrated. This means users spend more time updating and managing the system, and they receive basic features like generic alerts and limited recipe suggestions. The price range of the existing smart pantry is around 20,000 to 60,000 pesos. In contrast, our smart food storage cabinet automatically tracks inventory in real time using advanced sensors and cameras, send alerts for upcoming expiration dates, offers personalized recipe, and generates shopping lists based on usage patterns. It's designed to be user-friendly, fully integrated, and tailored to Filipino food habits, making it more convenient, sustainable, and comprehensive solution. Target market, tech-savvy homeowners. They are individuals and families who love using smart home gadgets. The market size is about 2 million households have smart home devices. Number two, eco-conscious consumers. They are the people who care about the environment and reducing waste. The market size is approximately 12 million Filipinos are eco-conscious. They spend about 25,000 each year on eco-friendly products. Three, busy professionals and families. They are the working professionals, families with busy lives who need to convenient solutions. As health-conscious individuals, they are the people focused on eating healthier and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Financial summary. The weight sensor is around 150 pesos. Fan cooler 300. PHP wireless 2D barcode scanner 4,050. Light sensor 350 pesos. Arduino 1,800. 12 volts battery 795. Jump wires 45. Cabinet 15,499. The cabinet is costly per cabinet is costly 16,345. And per 3 months, naglalabas po kami ng 10 pieces. And the final price of the cabinet is 20,565 pesos.
So, ito po yung mock-up design namin. So, kapag po pag-open ng app, may pagpipilian po kayong category. So, pag nakapili, which is nakalitaw po doon kung saan po siya pwedeng maano at kung kailan, hanggang kailan po yung expiration date. So, sa pang-apat po na image, doon po yung, kumbaga parang data niya na, doon po lahat na re-restore. Next slide. So, ito po yung prototype ng aming product. Meron po siyang, yung makikita po yung parang maliit na fan dito, yun po yung temperature fan. Meron din po siya yung mga scanner. Meron din, ginamitan din po namin siya ng Arduino, sensor, light, and camera. So, again, we are the ACE team and we believe that
Smart,
smart
smart food cabinet
cabinet
transforming
transforming
kitchen
kitchen into a
smarter,
smarter, greener,
cleaner,
more
and more efficient.
So you may reach us on the following details that flash on the screen. So, ayan po yung contact namin sa mga gustong mag-reach out. Thank you po.